Oh my god, it's the last day and you're playing the saddest music possible. Take a coffee. With over 7 billion people in the world, it really feels like it shouldn't be that hard to find people that I connect with. And I say this as someone fortunate enough to have never really had a problem making friends. For all the hate that I give mankind, I do find, if we're being honest, I like most people I meet. But there's a difference in finding someone I like and someone I have an actual connection with. It's weird going from school to adulthood, no matter what age you do it. Suddenly, it can feel very like you're really on your own, even if you're still living in the same place you've always been. As kids, we usually make friends based off of proximity. Who lives down the street? Whose house can you bike to? But when you're no longer surrounded by people your own age, the chances of meeting someone, whether that's a partner, a friend, just anyone that might have similar thoughts, feelings, or views as you, just feels like it gets slimmer and slimmer. So I see why people never leave their hometowns. It's hard to start over. I also get why people try so hard to find their lifelong partner in school, because it's not only hard, but it is exhausting. I am no longer just tired of telling someone what my favorite color is. I am tired of having to explain what my coffee order is or the brand of something I'm talking about when I say get the good chips. Much less past trauma I've had or deep feelings that I might be experiencing now. It takes a lot of work and luck and honestly probably some like elven magic to find someone that actually gets you, that can understand where you come from and where you're going. I think a lot of the time that work stands in the way of putting ourselves out there, of finding those people. Especially when there's a chance they may up and leave you to go do bigger and better things on the other side of the country. But I think right now, at a time where it feels harder than ever to feel connected to anyone, it's good to remember that there are people out there for you. And when you find them, they'll stick around, even if they are going off to do bigger and better things.